What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Little something different for you. Well, for you at least. I don't know. Y'all may notice a difference already too.
Yeah, this is so much more comfortable.
No more. Hold on. This is what we used to do. Yep, that's what we used to do on the new cameraman. Well, not a new cameraman, but just a new camera. So we are back on Brittany Sentra once again, 2020 and up Nissan Sentras. I don't even think the SR has what we're about to do.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. So I happen to notice, because I look at all the analytics. Unlike, well, you look at some analytics, you don't look at as many as I do. But in the search bars, people are looking for low beam headlights, high beam headlight replacements, and another light replacement. You know which one that one is?
Yeah, the reverse lights, man.
Yeah. So, once again, thanks to none other than Auxito, we have a little box today. We are going to swap out these reverse lights, take you guys along with us, show you what they look like before, you know, one in, one out, and then the finished product, because
Yeah,
we're in the shop.
It's clean, man.
Revamped shop. So, real quick, of course, these don't have the fans on them because they're not, you know, you don't need a fan on these because they're not on as long as like the headlights are. But I think these are going to be super bright, way better. It's going to help the backup camera too. We need to show them that as well before we get too in depth on it. Show them the difference on the backup camera. Yeah, they kind of produce a little bit of light, but they use the reverse lights to help you see at night. And this is going to be even better.
Yeah, man. Let's get into it.
Let's do it. So, you ready?
Yeah, man. Maybe not on the new camera.
Nah. Let's do this. Alright, guys. To get to these reverse lights, obviously they're in the trunk lid. As you can see, we need to drop this carpet off, and you've got all these little body clips in here, and I know we've been over this 1,020,000 times, but we're going to do it again for you guys. You need to remove these. It's always good to have a body clip removal tool. Just kind of get up underneath there. See how quick and easy that comes out. Make sure it pops all the way out, and then you're done. And we just have 1,000,000 of them to do, so I guess we'll be right back when we get these done. We'll show you the finished product here.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I always hate pulling new stuff off because it sounds like you're breaking it. Oh, it didn't pop down. Wow, those are some strong body clips in there. There we go.
One broke. Oh, well.
All right, so we're going to pull this carpet off.
Forgot those for that one.
That way we can slide this out of the way. And now, let's see here. Easy access to our reverse lights. We will literally we should be able to twist it out. You may have to get a pair of pliers because this thing's brand new. There we go. We got this one. There's our reverse light. Now, before we get too in depth, we may need to make a shot of the reverse lights.
Reverse lights and
yeah, and then vice versa. So we'll be right back. All right, so one down. Now, do you want to show them what we had to do to go through that?
Yeah, man. So, as you can see right here.
Not that greatly. Hold on, let's get some light on the subject here.
So, right here you have a plug that disconnects the little wire harness that goes to the trunk tail light. You take these three nuts off, and this one over here.
And 10 millimeter.
Yeah, 10 millimeter. You just pull the tail light off after you get these nuts off, and this will come with it.
Yeah, just make sure you unplug it, like you said.
Unplug this, and yeah, then you just take this out and switch out the bulb.
Yeah, because we did it backwards.
We tried to do it the more brute force way, just take the actual bulb out, like how you would on like a headlight or whatnot. But it's so much easier just to pull the four nuts out and then pull the actual tail light.
Yeah, it's so much easier. So we're gonna get this one done real quick.
Yeah,
we'll kind of show you real fast. I mean, we're legit, like we said, it's just a 10 millimeter.
Here, I'll grab that. You hold the light.
Yeah, I'll hold the light. You do some work.
Yeah.
You take those 4 bolts out, and I mean, it don't take a lot of brute force to get these off. They're just barely on there.
No, honestly, you could use like house tools as long as you have a little ratchet and 10 millimeter. It don't take much. I broke it free and just hand loosen it. That's all it takes. Super long extension for no reason.
Well, you know, sometimes I believe in speed wrenches, and that's a good way to make one if you don't have one. So, I mean, honestly, this is maybe a 5-minute job. Well, I would say 10
to 15.
Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes max. Nissan's made this very easy, and so has Auxito for us. So the only thing we have left to do is unplug this. Back. On the back.
No, it should be right here, right?
Yep, I think I heard it. We just unplug it.
There we go.
Bam. And then you just take and push up on these studs.
Yep.
All 4 corners. There you go. Watch this. Upsy daisy. We'll pull this trunk lid down some. Wire comes out with it. And then boom. Here is your reverse light right here.
Yeah, let's walk over there.
Yeah, let's walk over here. Alright, so
we have the tail light out. All you have to do is, what is it? I'm trying to show.
other way.
Yeah. Yeah, this one was stubborn, wasn't it?
Yeah, this one was kind of tight, so we may end up having.
See.
Right, there it went.
Just pull that out. Get
On
that
the bowl.
trash out of there.
And put that new on.
Sorry about that, you guys. Battery died, so we had to recharge it for a second.
Yeah, new camera stuff.
We got the new Auxito LED in. It just pops in. It's a little tough, but it fits, no problem. And if I'm doing this right,
It does go in on an angle.
here, actually, you can pull this up and out of the way a little bit, so it doesn't pull the bulb doesn't pull the seal off or into the light. And then you just twist. I can get it lined up. There we go. I should just twist like that. There we go. That's it.
And now we get to just basically reverse the steps that you did before and just put them back in. So we're going to toss this thing back in.
And you'll see the full after.
Yeah. And we will show you the backup camera. I know we didn't show before, but you already know what the before looks like. So what we'll do is we'll show you the after and with the backup camera and let you see what this looks like. So we'll be right back. All right, guys. That is the final result. Now I'm going to show you this real quick. and you're gonna have to deal with the beeping. So let these lights time out, but can you see it? The difference is amazing.
Put it in park. Let me get here. So, this is how dark the shop is without it. Double reverse lights on. It's pretty bright. Substantial, but
Pretty amazing. I mean, it really does help the backup camera, which I think it's a little dirty, but not bad. We're gonna wrap this up real quick and we'll come back and talk to you guys. So alright guys, there you go. Another video brought to you by the one, the only true LED manufacturer in the world. The wonderful. I mean, I don't even know how much more we could push this, but thank you to Auxito. Guys, if you're in search for these bulbs, we'll have the link in the description down below. Also, do not forget, click the other link to go to Auxito themselves, pick you up some LED bulbs, whether it be headlights, taillights, blinkers, whatever the case may be, reverse lights like we just did. When you do it, throw it in your cart. When you go to checkout, it has a little promo code over there to the side. Make sure you use Aftermath Garage.
yeah, man.
Did it pop up?
I hope so.
I hope so too. Well, anyway, guys, once again, thank you to Auxito for sponsoring another video. Hooking us up was an excellent product. I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Can't go wrong with Auxito, man.
No, there's no LED like Auxito. So, this one will be getting Auxito bulbs too when it gets back up and going.
Yes,
I can promise you that. Whole nother world. So, that being said, guys, we're going to get out of here. We hope you like the new footage, new editing,
New camera.
So, stay tuned. We got some big stuff coming really soon.
Yeah, man.
For that being said, as always, we love you. And remember,
Dream big.
yeah, because we are.
Yeah, man.
See you guys.